Making our way to the pinnacle. Gonna climb some ladders at the top of a mountain. Just came up a pretty steep hill. Going across the swing bridge on our way to the pinnacle. This is supposed to be the way around the flood. Doesn't look very flooded to me. No flood detour this time. On the mountain ridge now. You can hear that deep wind. Coming over the ridge now. And there it is.
Incredible. Right there.
Oh, that's right. Whoops. One of my trekking poles just fell. Another ladder. Made it to the summit of the Pinnacles. Climbing time. Ooh. High up. Oh wow, you can see like farm fields and stuff from up here. I think I'm at the highest point, other than that little bit there, but there is the valley below. And another pinnacle. And there's Lauren. And now back down. Lauren said this way was easier. Do not go beyond this barrier. I said yet to be seen how this way is easier. Woo!
Yeah, that way it's easy to get up, but then to go down, you're like,
I suppose so. Whoa. On our way back down now. Lauren just got her trekking pole stuck in the boardwalk.
I hope that's fine.
We're on our way to a place that they called Pinnacle Hut. Another snippet of our way back down from the Pinnacles. Nice shaded grove area here. It's been a long hike, and there's still so much more to go. United States. Going downhill some more after listening to some strange birds up top and getting some suggestions on new hikes. How much further do we have to go? Nobody knows. Taking the flood detour bridge again, like a couple of cheaters, because we don't want to go down and back up. That'd be too much work. So swingy. Scary. Look at that view coming down the mountain. Whew, almost slipped. Real nice.
They talking up my butt.
Yeah. No stopping here. Gotta keep moving. Looks like this is where the land slides. It's the first real bird we've seen this whole trek. Is that the one that makes the noise? I don't know. It's not making it right now. Hey birdie. Where are we going? Ah, to the branch. You gotta make the noise.
It just pooped.
You just pooped and flew away. I think we scared the crap out of it. Making my way across the first bridge we crossed on this whole hike. Didn't film it the first time out. It's also pretty rickety. Coming to the end of our trek now. How was it, Lauren?
It was beautiful.
Yeah. You can see there's our foot washing station there, right before the parking lot. Got to clean off our boots and our hiking poles, and then we're headed home. Until next time.